Tony, promise. Tony's first and last piece of jerky. It becomes less funny and more concerning as this goes on.
You can take him to immediate care.
Tony, the joke's right next to you.
I can see that.
He's not he's not as pink anymore. Oh wait.
Ow.
Oh wow.
Are we gonna actually need to take you to the doctor, sir? No, I think it's
Danielle,
okay.
let's see the package.
Good God. That is a form of
It's not
torture.
going away.
Oh, 15 minutes, a half hour. I'll be gone. Don't worry.
Tony, more ice cream, more eggnog.
Give him some milk.
Fine.
Milk. M-I-L-K.
Please.
Okay, there, bug.
You might want to go to the bathroom. Or someplace where you can puke.
It's not making me feel sick. It's just
It hurts.
I can't eat any more of that.
I wouldn't, considering what's in there.
Well, what is? I asked.
It's Scorpion Reaper.
So we have found something too hot for Tony. I'm sorry. If I
Ghost
would have known it was
pepper.
going to kill you that bad, I would.
I didn't think it'd be this bad.
It's Ghost Pepper Reaper, Carolina Reaper, Ghost Pepper, Scorpion Pepper, Habanero, pure capsaicin extract.
Well, there.
7 million Scoville. Yeah. The sum of the included peppers
He's
and
not as bad
extract
as that guy on Dirty Jobs who was on the floor crying.
give each bag 1 million Scoville heat units in total.
I stop at about 100,000.
You can put this back.
Trade you. You may receive compensation for your milk stroke. I may have to Venmo grab me for milk.
It left the tongue. Mostly.
I've never seen him react this bad.
Well, considering what's in there,
I
The
think-
extract.
It would have been fine
It's
if
the
it were for
extract.
the extract.
he's gonna put it on his desk and be like, "This is a warning."
Put a piece in Kevin's stuff.
I'm not trying to kill Kevin.
Find someone you don't like and say, "Oh, this stuff is awesome. Try it."
I'm not trying to catch a case.
I think that'd be assault with a deadly weapon.
Mm-hmm. Attempted murder.
Hey, why don't you sit and let your stomach settle for a second?
Take slow breaths.
If you need just a tiny bit of the ice cream, just let your stomach calm down.
So otherwise you're
I
making
also have
yourself puke.
peppermint stick ice cream if you think that would help.
No, just straight milk is probably the best thing.
Okay.
Do you want to go wash your hands real quick so you can wipe your eyes?
Yes.
Soap and water.